Hello everyone, today my group members and I decided to reflect after studying topic 9. There was one part of topic 9 that had a profound impact on me. That was pollution. First, my name is Chang. I am studying for a diploma in accounting. Air pollution and deforestation are bad effects because people do things that affect the environment. We all know that harmful gases emitted by vehicles and industry cause air pollution. Poor air quality affect public health and cause increased mortality. At the same time, deforestation is destroying the planet's forests. These trees are being destroyed by logging, urban expansion, and so on. This damage not only increases climate change, but also kill living things, destroy habitats, and so on. We should reduce this type of behavior as soon as possible to reduce damage and pollution to the environment. Government should also help us address this challenge by promoting suitable practices, supporting reforestation projects, and adopting green technology. Fighting air pollution and deforestation is not just about protecting nature. This is to safeguard our health and make sure that future generations can live in a clean and balanced world. We must act now to recognize that the well-being for the plant directly affect our own well-being. That's all my reflections. Then I will pass to the next person. Thank you.
Hello, I am Ting from Diploma in Accounting student. To the moral topic 9, I learned that are some pollutions. It includes air pollutions, land pollutions, noise pollutions, water pollution, deforestation, and endangered animals. The land pollution is the pollution of the earth's surface. From the example of land pollution include litter fall on the side of the road. Furthermore, water pollution is the contamination of any body of water. Example like lands, groundwater, and oceans. Those pollution will affect our health and safety. From the subject of pollutions, I have learned some ways to reduce the pollutions. I will reduce garbage by bringing my own container to store food when buying take-away food, and bring recycle bag to carry things when I buy in shopping. Not only that, I will switch off the tap when I am brushing my teeth to save the water. I will always maintain these motivated situations and do whatever I can to save the environment. That's all for me. Thanks.
Hello teacher, my name is Daniel. Now I'd like to talk about deforestation and endangered animals. Deforestation, the large-scale removal of trees from forests, has profound impacts of the environment, particularly on wildlife. It disturbs ecosystem and leads to the endangerment of many animal species. Forests provide critical habitats for the countless species, offering food, shelter, and breeding grounds. When these forests are destroyed, animals lose their homes and source of sustenance, pushing them towards extinction. One of the primary drivers of deforestation is agricultural expansion. As forests are cleared to create space for crops and livestock, the natural habitats of many animals are obliterated. Species such as the orangutan, tiger, and various bird species face critical threats as their habitats shrink. The loss of biodiversity is not only a tragedy for the animals themselves, but also destabilize ecosystem, affecting human livelihoods and contributing to climate change. Moreover, deforestation fragments landscape, isolating animal population and reducing genetic diversity. This isolation makes it harder for species to adapt to environmental changes and increase their vulnerability to disease and predators. Conservation efforts must prioritize protecting and restoring forests to preserve the biodiversity that is vital for a healthy planet. By addressing deforestation, we can help ensure the survival of endangered species and maintain ecological balance.
Hello teacher, my name is Alfred and my topic is about noise pollution. Reflecting on the topic of noise pollution reveals its pervasive and impactful nature. It's surprising how common noises from traffic, construction, and neighborhood activities can lead to significant health issues like hearing loss, stress, and sleep disturbance. This realization underscores the importance of addressing noise pollution not just as an environmental issue but as a crucial health concern. The impact on students and workers is particularly concerning. Noise pollution can severely hinder students' ability to concentrate and learn, while in workplaces it reduces productivity and increases errors. These effects highlight the broader implication of noise pollution on education and economic efficiency, emphasizing the needs for a comprehensive solution. Addressing noise pollution requires both individual action and broader community efforts. While personal measures like using earplugs are helpful, promoting quiet zone, implementing stricter noise regulations, and incorporating natural sound barriers are essential strategies. This reflection has deepened my understanding of noise pollution effect and inspired me to support initiatives aimed at creating quieter, healthier communities. Thank you.
Hello teacher, my name is Alfred. I'm going to talk about land pollution and deforestation. Land pollution and deforestation are closely interconnected, each exacerbating the effects of the other in a detrimental cycle, impacting ecosystems, biodiversity, and human health. Deforestation leads to land pollution through soil erosion, chemical use, and waste generation. Additionally, deforestation often makes way for agricultural or industrial development, which involves pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers that contaminate soil and water. Logging and land clearing generate significant waste, which, if improperly disposed of, pollutes the soil. Conversely, land pollution accelerates deforestation, as polluted lands lose their fertility, pushing agricultural activities into forested areas, driving further deforestation. Chemical runoff from polluted lands can infiltrate forested area, damaging plant life and making forests more vulnerable to clearance. This cycle leads to habitat destruction, loss of biodiversity, and ecosystem imbalance. Forests, which act as carbon sinks, are compromised, exacerbating climate change. This vicious cycle negatively impacts human health and livelihoods, contaminating food and water sources and leading to economic hardships for communities reliant on forests. Addressing these interconnected issues requires integrated environmental management to promote sustainable land use, protect forests, reduce pollution, and rehabilitate degraded lands. Thank you.